I've been on the hunt for the best e-bike on the market right now. But let's be real, all these bikes are starting to look the same and kind of feel the same. So the question is, what is actually worth buying? So I did what everyone else does. I went down the rabbit hole, watching videos, reading specs, comparing builds, and honestly, a lot of these bikes are basically copy and paste. But then I came across one that stopped me. The geometry was different. It looked kind of sick, but also kind of weird at the same time. It actually felt unique. Then I saw the price, $4,500, 72 volt, 17 kilowatt. So of course, I shot them an email. Yo, this bike is sick. Let's work. To my surprise, they actually hit me back. And here we are. Now this is the all new Rerode R1 Plus, but here's the thing. I don't know much about it, but I do know that we gotta unbox this thing and put this bike together. Rerode. No way they included one of these. And one of these, what? This is the first time I've ever seen a company include these. Violent fan. And then this is a tire inflator. We got the pegs in here. So this is going to be the front number plate. The Rerode hat, I had no idea what I'd use these for. Some Michael Jackson gloves. Now, I've had the original Rerode in the past, and if I'm being honest, I wasn't really impressed. This one though, this feels like a whole different bike. So today we're gonna finish setting it up, and then we're taking this thing out to see if it actually lives up to the hype. Very, very interesting look, I must say. And the reason why I say that is you could probably see it right here. Look how much rake this frame has, which should help out on the trails and everything. But in my opinion, it looks like if my neck was like, let's feel out these power modes real quick. That seems pretty freaking fast. You can tell they put some thought into this bike, especially with the lightweight aluminum frame and the way it's designed to feel strong without being bulky or awkward. It's running a 72 volt setup, pushing around 17 kilowatts at peak, paired with a 40 amp hour battery, which gives a ton of punch for a bike in this price range. You've got 4 different ride modes to choose from depending on how aggressive you want to ride, a top speed of around 60 miles an hour when you open it up, and about 70 miles of range on a charge. So between the power, the lightweight design, and the range, this thing actually makes a lot of sense for anyone who wants a real bike performance without going full race bike. Now the real question is, does it actually ride as good as it sounds? Let's find out. I've got everything loaded up and the Rerode ready to go. I've got about an hour drive ahead of me, running a little late as usual, but we're locked in. I'm heading out to link up with 2 of the best surron riders in the world. Ooh. What? It's just sick, dude. I just like it.
Okay, boomer, shut the f up.
Before we ride, quick intros with Levi and Austin, 2 of the heaviest senders I know.
What up, boys? My name's Levi Farias.
Austin Rocha.
I'm 17 years old and I'm from Ukipa, California.
I'm 17 years old and I'm from Beaumont, California.
Been riding this thing for like 3 years now. I'm trying to just send this thing till it breaks every single time I ride.
Like 3 years, I think now.
How often you break stuff on the bikes?
I don't think I've broken anything, honestly.
Hey, the forks are bent, huh?
Get the f out of here with your loud bikes.
Oh, it looks so nice, dude. Oh my gosh, no. Don't do it, dude.
Get him, get him, get him. Hey, look at what Ralph.
This is pretty fat, dude.
What up, dude?
No, I'm not hitting this today, dude. What the? Oh, I just realized this is the house that TB jumped, huh?
Yeah. Came in out here, brother. He jumped off of that.
This will be the first ride on this thing, and I'm literally riding with some of the best riders that we got out here. So we'll see how we stack up here. I'm actually kind of curious. Hey! Yeah, you can't say I didn't pull up though. I'm here, bro.
Yeah, true.
I'm literally here. It's so long. It's almost throwing me for like a slight bit of a loop because I'm not used to like the longer wheelbase, like the way it is. It don't feel bad. It just feels interesting. Dude, it feels fast. Ooh. All right, let's see. I want to run a couple laps with the boys. Oh. Dude, it feels so light, it's actually crazy. Brakes don't feel too shabby. Like this thing has like barely any weight to it. Pretty nimble. Dude, Sport Plus be way too fast on this thing. Oh! Dude, Dude, his suspension's gotta be so stiff. He's gotta have the world's stiffest suspension on that thing. It didn't even move right now.
Oh, I know. It's so good.
Look at you, dude. Bling. Oh, shoot. I need to get on the program, clearly.
Right?
Look, he's not even like, his suspension's not even compressing.
Right?
Dude, the throttle is like, yeah. A Rerode R1 Plus. Dude, it rips. You can just definitely tell the suspension doesn't feel too bad. I could just kind of tell that right off the bat. This bike is meant for trail riding, so this is like where it's gonna excel in the trails. It actually feels so incredibly light too. It's just like light and nimble. The ergonomics are interesting. It's pretty cool though. We got 2 110s and then 3 e-bikes. No idea where we're going. I've never ridden out here and there looks like a ton of sick stuff. So been meaning to come out here. Finally was able to make it happen. We're gonna put this thing through its paces today and kind of see how she does. Woo! Look at out here. So much mountain that I've not explored yet in SoCal. We're taking a new one off the list though. Although it looks the same as like probably previous stuff that I've ridden, it is not. This is completely different from what I've ridden, so. He said, damn surron kids. So this is Boogie. He also rips, dude. This kid's a ripper. He's hitting like the freestyle stuff. This is like the next generation of the freestyle kids, I would say. Dude, you know this thing actually doesn't feel bad. It's very nimble. The throttle, I wish the tune was a little different. It's almost like too snappy. Or there needs to be like a little more deadband, which is kind of weird for me to say, but there's like literally none. It engages with any little movement. So when you're going through like the choppy stuff, this is like engaging the throttle. I can feel it. I don't know where they're taking me. Hopefully it's chill. Oh, I can definitely feel the length of this bike. Hold on, pause. That was mad sus. But no, I seriously can. I can feel how long the bike is when I'm riding it. I'm not sure how I feel about it, to be honest. All right, let's see. Hill climb action. Oh, dude, light work. It actually made the hill climb easier than normal. Oh! Are you serious? Wait, why did I even follow you down this? All right. Yeah, no, oh my gosh. Dude, talk about ridges. We got ridges everywhere over here. Oh, no. Oh my. Well, look, we're stuck. Like, how are we getting back up that? Bro, there's no way. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh! No! No! Dude! So sketchy on this bike. Dude. I started picking up speed and I could feel my back end lifting up because I was hitting the front so hard.
Look at him. He's throwing the shovel, he's scared.
Damn!
Let's go to the ramp. The ramp's cool.
It was at this moment that he knew he f***ed up.
Oh no. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, bro.
Your fork's like bent forward.
He literally said before he goes, I don't know how fast to go.
Bro,
and he's just,
dude, I was on the back and I heard him. Like, I was just going off the lift.
as soon as I seen him go up, I said, oh no. You did not just crack your subframe, bro.
I did. I just seat balanced and heard a really loud noise.
I don't really break anything, bro.
I never break bikes.
Nah, you always be breaking stuff.
Bro, no, I do not.
So what's that size versus this one?
That's 75.
Oh my, can you imagine going up to this thing? If you're gonna set it, tell me, I'll go over there.
You got it too, huh?
All right, bet. Oh, dude, that is so gnarly. Bro, that was looks gnar.
It's a yank.
That looks so gnarly. What are you running? Is this top secret info?
Whoa, what are you doing?
Sorry, it's blurred. Don't worry.
Just torque, bro.
Let me feel this thing.
I don't know what I'm doing.
I got that, huh? In my past life, dude, I got a kid now. I can't. That's my excuse. Back on the Rerode. Hey, it's a whole track. What is this?
You want to go up there?
Yeah, show me wherever.
Follow me.
Oh yeah, it's a full track. Oh, that's fat. Oh, that is a booter. That's sick. Bro, he got like his own wyvern or whatever. This is sick. Let me see this jump line. Ooh. Ooh. I have to come back on my Ventus. This is sick. This bike, since it has stock suspension, stock everything, and I'm just not used to it, I gotta come back and hit everything. Right. Yeah. Ooh. I'll put this thing in Sport Plus and try to quad that and see what happens. Oh! All right, we hit the quad. Hey, you gotta ride the thing just to feel it, because yeah, you just have to know what I'm dealing with here. Little bike swappage. Hopefully I can handle this thing, dude. Cooking.
I broke it.
Oh, it's got a flat.
I got a flat.
Hey, it was ripping it though. I say we run it on the flat.
You gotta break it.
I don't care, ride it.
Excuse me.
Oh my, dude. I can't believe you treading it though. Oh, dude. No way. Ow, rock hit my knee so hard. Oh my gosh, dude. Look at that. Look at that. Alright, the Rerode has a flat. I'm bummed. How's she doing? Oh, no, dude. I can't believe he's still ripping it on a flat.
You might not be able to roll it in your van.
That's fine, dude. That's a durability test on the Rerode. Hey, you're actually cooking on that thing. You're going faster than I was with.
Sniff though.
There wasn't a flat.
Smell it. Oh, smokage. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. Oh my god. You right? That thing is hot.
Try that thing, Austin.
You want me to follow cam him? Because you don't know what you're doing, Zay?
Show me how it's done. Oh, dude. I'm surprised it's holding up as well as it is. Right. Dude, I could just do this all day. Ah! Dude, those little scrubs right there are so much fun. Like the sickest. Oh, dude, that thing is chucking roost so bad.
Let's go search the ramp.
Let's go. Yes, sir. She's good, brother.
Bro, I don't know how he whips like that.
That boy got steez. Dude, that looks sick. How do you toss off the ramps like that? I like genuinely, because no one else really be doing it like that. That's your age. You're just that guy, dude. How old are you again? 12? Sickest 12-year-old out. Might be. Dude, the sunset's insane. Hey, look how beautiful. Oh my, bro. That's actually majestic. Take a look at that. Just wide open mountain. This place is prime time for riding. And then just have a track in front too, like insane. Let me know if I should come back. Maybe I can come back on my Ventus or something, like a fully built bike and sess with all the boys. I don't know, when you're getting stuff like this size and bigger and stuff, like on the stock stuff, it's just, especially stuff you're not used to, you know? There we go.
That's gonna wrap up an epic day with the boys. Huge shout out to Levi and Austin for having me out and showing me their stomping grounds. Some of the sickest riding I've done in a minute. Without a doubt, gnarliest surround centers I know. Seriously, if you've seen anyone doing crazier stuff on these bikes, let me know because I'd be shocked. Make sure you go and check out all 3 of the guys on social media. I'll have their ads up on the screen. The Rerode R1 Plus actually held its own out here. It's a solid bike. It's not my first pick, but as a trail bike, it's super nimble, lightweight, and you can't deny that. I'll have everything on the bike linked down below. Huge thanks to Pinned Electric.
Sick day. Shout out to Austin and Levi, and then also shout out to Boogie. I didn't know Boogie was gonna be there. He's another sender. So right there, that trio, I'm gonna say is the 3 best like surround riders out in the world, I think, personally. So the Rerode honestly did super well. It's mainly a trail bike. I can just tell from how long that rake is. It handled good on the trails. It was a really light bike, and it's really fast. We were sessioning it a little bit. We ended up getting a flat, which sucks, but if you guys want to check out Rerode, links in the description. Thank you, Pinned Electric, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.